Was it 6?
6.
Okay. Good. Elbows down. Nice. Good. Dip punch. Nice. Good. Nice, Chan. Good. Drive, drive, drive. Dip. Nice. Good. Very fast. Excellent work. Fast. Very fast. Good. Sprint. Come on. Come on. Get it. Touch. Sprint, 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 sprint. Nice job. Excellent. Okay, here we go, Dragon. Drive, 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 drive. Good. Nice. Perfect. Good. Nice and tight. Good. 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 Legs out. Nice. Very strong. Good. Excellent. Good. Good. Deep. Good. Nice. Excellent. Nice. Come on, Kim. Come on now. Come on now. Get it. Explode up. There we go. Good. Get it. Nice. Excellent job. Big high. Big high. There we go. Good.
Got that bunch of leaps. Get that back. Come on, no there.
Did you get it?
And rest.
Nice. Good. Do it again. Do it again. Pull that fucking thing off there. Go back to 4.
I should have built that one at the last one. I made it last time.
Nice, good. Stay there, stay at 4. Nice, good. Nice, good, excellent. Go ahead and add a pair of 10s, Dave. Team athletes, add another pair of chains to your barbell. Good, get it, get it, get it, get it. Nice job. This last circuit is curl to press, 8 of those. And then rope climb after that. Nice, good. Be really strict on these curl to presses. Nice, good. 8 of those.
Over there with 5.
Nice, Renee, good. Nice, Cam, perfect. Nice, good.